dope, making crack. I moved it out the barber shop where they made me at. Lined them up for a couple dollars, I was fading cats. Shooting dice in the alley right up there on Whaley Ave. Look, I was breaking bad, 520s changing that. Dollar bills beat the game plan, forever stay intact. To the bank with that laugh, love the way he rap. Wasn't in the writing bars, I was way too in the trap. Look, I could make the stack, go and lose and make it back. Soon as I hit the stove, popping like bacon fat. Ain't no faking jack, sleeping, don't take the nap. 8 shots, Jesus Christ, couldn't even save my dad. Taught the half principle, pistol waving gats on the east end. Smoked Jamaican hash on the weekend. Hope them Haitians had was the cheapest. Jumped off the boat into the deep end. Float or you could drown, let them sink in. Hoes come around for the season. Sit them in the bleachers. Bitches getting foul when they reach in. Took over the game, now we cheating. Cause I'm winning. Not a player, but I fucked a lot of women. High school, they would tell me they love me, was catching feelings. I was taking virginity since the beginning. In my city, it's the preachers, the ministers with the sinning. This shit is sweet, I floss like fucking dentists, nigga.
Doing this shit, my nigga, that's banging though. Right though. Hell yeah.